Launching a course soon, nothing's more stressful than seeing failed payments on day one, even if you have prepared weeks in advance. Here's a quick way to feel more confident before launch day. By checking each step, from testing the checkout to verifying confirmation emails and refund flows, you can simulate the payment journey and spot any potential hiccups early. Even with this checklist, high volume launches can still trigger processor reviews if your gateway is not built for large surges. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their onboarding and hands-on account testing goes beyond simple prep, ensuring your merchant account and payment gateway are stable and ready for big launch spikes. And with features like transaction routing, your payments stay balanced even during sudden enrollment surges. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. And with their white glove service, you get a dedicated contact who helps make your launch smooth and worry-free. Preparing manually is a good start, but EasyPay Direct ensures your course launch runs without payment interruptions. Use the link in the description to get started and keep your payments stable from day one.